Phylogenetic tree construction using Mega 11. Mega 11 basically stands for Molecular Evolutionary Genetic Analysis. It is a user-friendly program designed to analyze DNA and protein sequence data and includes a collection of tools for performing these studies. Mega supports a wide range of research including emerging sequence alignment, building evolutionary trees, measuring genetic distances and variations, and identifying ancestral sequences. Steps for constructing phylogenetic tree in Mega 11. Open the Mega 11 homepage. The homepage includes several choices such as align, data, models, distance, diversity, phylogeny, user tree, ancestors, selection, rates, clocks, and disease. The align option is selected from the main menu bar. Then added build alignment is chosen from the drop down menu. A new bar for the selection of alignment editor is appeared and create a new alignment is selected and OK is clicked. Then protein is selected from the data type for alignment. A new window M11 Alignment Explorer appeared and the FASTA file of all protein sequences of, for example, LEA45 gene is pasted over here. Control A is pressed to select all the protein sequences and then Control C is pressed to copy all the sequences. Then Control V is pressed to paste all the sequences in M11 Alignment Explorer. Then we will select the last sequence and delete this. Then we will press Control A to select all the sequences. Then alignment option is selected from the main menu bar and align by cluster omega is chosen from the drop down menu. Cluster omega option is used as default and OK is clicked. The data option is selected from the main menu bar. Export alignment in mega format is chosen from the drop down menu. The alignment in mega format is saved by clicking the save icon. Suppose we give it name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save it on desktop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then phylogeny option is selected from the main menu bar for Mega 11. Construct test maximum likelihood tree is chosen from the drop down menu. A new window M11 analysis appeared. A new window M11 analysis preferences appeared. An option is used as default and OK is clicked. A new window M11 Tree Explorer appeared and the phylogenetic tree is constructed. We can change the shape of the phylogenetic tree according to our requirement. The file option is selected from the main menu bar and export current tree in Nubic format is chosen from the drop-down menu. A new window M11 A new window M11 text file editor and format converter appeared, and that file option was selected from the main menu bar, and save as is chosen from the drop down menu. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Save it on desktop, for example. Phylogenetic tree visualization using iTOL. iTool basically stands for Interactive Tree of Life. It is an online tool for viewing, manipulating, and annotating phylogenetic and other trees. Interactive pruning and rerouting are possible with trees. Various sorts of data such as genome size or protein domain repositories can be shown on the tree. The iTool utilities make it simple to modify and construct customized graphical representation of phylogenetic trees in the standard New Hampshire or Newick style. Open the iTool, the interactive tree of life. The homepage included several options such as tree of life, upload, data sharing, and help. Select upload from the main menu bar. You can name the tree if you want, otherwise you can skip it as it's optional. Choose file, then upload. These are the different modes. You can select circular, rectangular, or unrooted according to your requirement. Like I keep it circular. You can set the rotation according to your requirement. Change the style like Time New Roman, and you can keep it bold, italic, and you can increase the font style. If you want to keep the alignment on right, you can keep it, otherwise keep it left. You can increase the line style. If you want to shift it away from the line, then you can select it. Then in advanced mode, there are further options. You can set them according to your requirement. Let's move to dataset. Create a dataset, then select color label range, name it as dataset 1. Select the color you want to give, like for example I choose this. Copy the color code by pressing Ctrl C, then choose, and then select create dataset. Then add, like I want to take this area into the dataset. Now I will begin with BJU 404436 है BCA 32544. So this is selected. I'm just pasting the color code. And then update. This is okay. Then I will cover this region BCA and create a new dataset. Then again select color label range and give it a dataset name 2 and select this color, copy the color code and choose and create dataset from BRA B814P till BCA 2392. BC392. And again paste the code. Then update. This is shown. You can change the style like bracket. You can select if you want. Otherwise, box or polygon. You can change the. You want to color the whole clad, or you can select. You want to color the whole tree. It's up to your requirement. Like I select only the clad. In the same way, you can generate your whole tree and color it, and then you will select export option and you can select full image, and then file name, like you can save it as QWE. Then in format you can select either you want to save it in SVG format or PDF format, and then export and save it on desktop. In the same way, you can make this tree like I have made.